Fourier series expansion of x of t, Fourier series expansion of x of t is a naught plus summation n equal to 1 to infinite an cos n omega t plus bn sin n omega t. This is equation 1 Fourier series expansion. So n equal to 1, n equal to 2, n equal to 3, like that. These are called harmonics. These are called harmonics. And n equal to 1 means it is fundamental time period. Fundamental harmonic. Fundamental harmonic. And for n equal to 2 means this is second harmonic. N equal to 3 means this is third harmonic, fourth harmonic, etc. In the expansion equation 1, we are having harmonics of the signal. Harmonics of the signal. Based on that, we are doing analysis on the system. System is LTI system. LTI means linear time invariant system. LTI means linear and time invariant system. Time invariant system. System will have these properties. Then whatever input signal, whatever h of t, whatever y of t output is there, we can write the Fourier series expansion using this harmonics. This is about harmonic analysis of LTI system. Harmonic analysis of LTI system. So we had the formulas. Trigonometric Fourier series coefficients A0, An, Bn. A0, An, Bn. Equation 1 represents the equation Fourier series, trigonometric Fourier series expansion for x of t. Equation 2 represents exponential Fourier series expansion for x of t signal. Exponential Fourier series expansion for x of t signal. And the coefficients are C0, Cn, C minus n. C0, Cn, C minus n for exponential Fourier series. Now the relation between A0, An, Bn and C0, Cn, C minus n are like this. C0 equal to A0 and An is nothing but Cn plus C minus n. Bn is nothing but J into Cn minus C minus n. These are the relation. And in trigonometric again we have two types, cosine transform Fourier series, sine transform Fourier series. We can write it as S0 plus summation Sn. Cos term alone is there in the expansion. It is called cosine Fourier transform. Sine term alone is there in the expansion. It is called sine transform Fourier series. And the pi value is tan inverse Bn by An in cosine transform. Tan inverse An by Bn in sine transform, the pi value. And Sn is nothing but square root of An square plus Bn square. So here whatever we have taken in both of these equations, S0 is nothing but A0 and Sn is nothing but square root of An square plus Bn square. And that is how we are converting trigonometric Fourier series to cosine transform and sine transform Fourier series. We are putting the equivalent S0, Sn values in order to convert to cosine and sine transform of Fourier series. And coming to the properties in Fourier series, these are the properties in Fourier series. X of t is having Cn as the Fourier series coefficient. X of t is having Cn as the Fourier series coefficient. If we are taking time reversal property, then it will become C minus n. If you are taking time reversal x of minus t as the signal, then the coefficient will become C minus n. If time shifting is there, right side an exponential factor will come. Cn is the initial coefficient. So we will have e power minus j 2 pi omega n into t naught. 2 pi omega n into t naught. And then Cn minus 1, frequency side time shifting is there. Then time direction, it is x of t. So what we should have is j into 2 pi L n into t. And then this is conjugate property. X star of t is nothing but C conjugate minus n. And d by dt, time differentiation property. Here we will have j into 2 pi omega n Cn. j into 2 pi omega n Cn. This is the value in frequency domain. And if we have integration in time domain, then it is 1 divided by 2 pi omega n into Cn. 1 divided by j into 2 pi omega n into Cn. So this is the different integration property in Fourier series. And if x of t is real and even, Cn also will be real and even. X of t is real and odd, then Cn will be purely imaginary and odd. So conjugate meaning means x of t is a plus jb, then conjugate x conjugate of t is taken as a minus jb. So this is about the Fourier series properties.